What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Somborn and today we're going to learn how to play Break My Heart Again by Finneas on the good old uke. But before we dive into this tutorial, make sure you hit that red subscribe button below. It looks a little bit like this. Click it, it'll turn gray if you haven't already. Also, if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, make sure to hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon. And the most important thing that you could do for this channel, and I would love you forever if you did, is give this video a big old thumbs up. That basically just tells YouTube that this video is awesome and they're going to share it out to people who don't know who this channel exists just yet. And that's how we ultimately grow this channel. So I would love you forever if you gave this video a big old thumbs up. But with all that promo-y stuff out of the way, let's go ahead and learn this song. Alright, so this song only has 5 chords, and those chords are C, B minor, D, G, and last but not least, E minor. So if you're like, Ricky, I know how to play a G, an E minor, or B minor, let's go ahead into the finger pick or the mini play along. I got you. You can go ahead right here and you can skip to whatever section that you need in this video if you don't want to stick around and learn the chords if you already know them, or if you just want to go straight to the mini play along. Or what you can also do is go straight to the full play along, which I will link right up here. It basically is the full song with the lyrics and chords on the screen. It's a separate video that I uploaded yesterday, so definitely go check that out. Leave some love on that video as well. I love how it turned out. But if you're like, Ricky, I don't know how to play a G or E minor or B minor, help me. Don't worry, this is why this video exists. We're gonna go step by step on where to put each fingers for each chord, and then we're gonna move on to the finger picking for this song. But as always, before we dive into the chords for this song, I do want to quickly mention how we number the strings. So if you're a beginner and you don't know how these strings and frets are numbered, then definitely listen up to this section because it will really help you with where to put your fingers for each chord in the future. So let's go ahead and pick up our uke. So the top string is going to be the 4th string. The next one down is going to be this 3rd string. The next one down is going to be the 2nd. And the last one is going to be the 1st string. So it's going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let's look at the actual fretboard, and you see you have these lines right here. Those are going to be the fret separators. So this is going to be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then so on. So if you need a little bit more time with just kind of memorizing what the string numbers are and the frets are, definitely pause this video if you need to take a look at your uke, familiarize yourself with the beauty of this uke, and let's go ahead and talk about the actual chords and the finger positioning for each chord. So as always, I will be putting a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers right here. I think it actually helps a lot to kind of just see with your eyes where your fingers need to be on the ukulele. So let's go ahead and talk about the first chord, which is the C chord. And how I like to play this one is I like to play it with my ring finger, and I like to place my ring finger on the 1st string, which again is the bottom string, 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we're going to learn is the B minor chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to go over all 4 strings on the 2nd fret. Then I take my middle finger, or you can play it with your ring finger, but I like to play it with my middle finger. I like to put my middle finger on the 4th string, which again is the top string, 4th string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. One thing I do want to note is if you're getting sort of a muted sound like this, that's just basically telling you that you're not pressing down hard enough on the string, so make sure to give them a little bit more pressure and it should have a clearer, brighter sound. The next chord that we're going to learn is the D chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to go over the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and then I take my middle finger and I put it right behind it on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we're going to learn is the G chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, Then I take my middle finger and I place it on the first string, 2nd fret. And then I take my ring finger and I place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need for this song is an E minor chord, and I always say it looks like a staircase going down. But how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And then I take my middle finger and I go on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And then I take my ring finger and I place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret. So it looks like a staircase going down, and it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that we need for this song, so make sure to familiarize yourself with the finger positioning for each chord. Also practice transitioning between each chord, so it's going to be helpful when we actually learn how to play this song. So again, if you need more time, pause this video, practice the chords and the finger positioning for each chord, and let's talk about how we're actually going to play this song. Alright, so now let's go ahead and talk about how we're actually going to play this song. So how I like to play this one is with a finger pick, and I like to call it the 4-2-3-1. So if you can't guess, you're going to pick the 4th string first, then you're going to go to the 2nd, then 3rd, and then 1st. So if it goes a little bit quicker, it's going to be 4-2-3-1. Alright, so let's put down the C chord down, and let's do that again. The finger picking once in 3-2-1, 4-2-3-1. Let's do it one more time in 3-2-1, 4-2-3-1. So you're gonna actually play this finger picking pattern, the 4-2-3-1, 4 times for each chord. So it would be, you can go to the C first, start with the C. It would be 4-2-3-1, 4-2-3-1, 4-2-3-1, 4-2-3-1, and then we're going to the D chord, 4-2-3-1, 4-2-3-1, 4-2-3-1, 4-2-3-1. So then you go onto the next chord. So you kind of get what we're going to be doing is you just do this finger pick 4 times for each chord, then move on to the next one. Again, I'll be putting the lyrics and the chords in the description below. Also, if you do want to check out the full play along, that has it on screen and you can just follow along. But yeah, that finger picking style, I don't know what it's actually called, but I call it the 4-2-3-1 just because I just like to name it like that. But yeah, it's just, again, the 4th string, 2nd string, 3rd, and then 1st. That's how I like to play it. So now that we've talked about chords and the finger pick for this song, let's see how everything gets put together in the mini play along. Again, go check out the full play along, linked in the description, also linked in the eye up here. Highly recommend that you go check it out and leave some love on that video as well. But yeah, let's go see how everything gets packaged together in the mini play along in 3, 2, 1. Hey you, good morning. Sure you're busy now, why else would you ignore me? Or do you need space? You can help it if your mind has changed. Alright, congratulations, you now know how to play Break My Heart Again by Finneas on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. If you watched this far, then you kind of, I think, can bear and stand me. So make sure to hit that red subscribe button below. It looks a little bit like this. Click the bell notification if you want to get notified every single time I upload a video. I'm actually going to be uploading a video every day. So I'm taking song recommendations in the comments below. So let me know what you would want to see on this channel. I know we're going through some tough times right now. So I feel like learning the uke is a perfect way to let off some steam and just to kind of forget for those like 10, 15 minutes of what is going on around the world and just enjoying music and learning a new instrument. So let me know your song recommendations in the comments below. I really do love making these videos and just kind of hanging out with you guys for the 10-15 minutes that we do have together. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you and stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.